How to remove the battery. Find the corresponding key, unlock the lock, and then take out the battery. The operation steps for the rear battery are the same as those for the front battery. How to install the front and rear batteries. Insert the front battery into the battery slot. After it is fully engaged, gently tap the top of the battery to ensure that the battery is successfully locked in place and does not come loose during use. When installing the rear battery, make sure that the battery base fits perfectly with the battery track. Then, smoothly push it inwards. When you hear a click, it means the battery is properly installed. Battery activation. To turn on the rear battery, press the rear battery switch. To turn it off, long press this switch. To turn on the front battery, press the front battery power display button. Usage of NFC. Ensure that both the front and rear batteries are turned on. Then press the power button. The instrument panel will light up and enter a countdown. You can unlock it by bringing the NFC device close to the screen. To turn off the bike, just press the power button.